Hello. Everybody wants to be successful in life. Same way, there was a king who wanted to rule his kingdom with all perfection. He never wanted to fail. So, let us look into his life. Today's story is Three Questions. It has been written by Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian author, best known for his novels War and Peace and Anna Karenina, which are considered to be the greatest novel of realist fiction. Tolstoy is also regarded as the world's best novelist by many. In addition to writing novels, Tolstoy also authored short stories, essays, and plays. Three Questions is one of them. He was also a moral thinker and a social reformer. Tolstoy held severe moralistic views. His non-violent resistance approach towards life has been expressed in his works such as The Kingdom of God is Within You, which is known to have profound effect on important 20th century figures. Once upon a time, there was a king who wanted to be a perfect king. Three questions came to his mind. He wanted to know that what was the right time to start some work. The second question was that which people should he always listen to and whom to avoid. And he also wanted to know what was the most important thing for him to do. He decided that he would announce his questions in the whole kingdom. He ordered his soldiers to announce in the whole kingdom that whosoever would answer to his questions wisely will be rewarded. He received many answers for his questions. For first question, some said he should make a timetable. Some said that it was impossible to decide. Some said that he should avoid his senseless pleasures and listen to the counselors so that they can help him in deciding the right time to begin something. But there are urgent matters also. How can we wait for the counselors to decide? Some suggested him to go to the magicians as they thought that they could look into the future and suggest for the right time to begin something. In answer to the second question, people suggested that he should listen to his counselors. Some said priests and a few suggested doctors. Some had the viewpoint that soldiers were the most important. In answer to the third question, people said for the king that most important work was to develop science. Some suggested fighting to increase his territory and some advised religious worship. Listening to such a variety of answers, king was not satisfied with any of them and gave no reward. He decided to go to visit a wise hermit who lived in the woods. The woods is a small forest, but there was a concern. The hermit is a saintly person who lives a simple life, never met royal people. The king decided to meet him. He went to the forest with ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, he left his bodyguards and the horse. When he reached to the hermit's hut, he saw him digging the ground. He was old and weak. He was looking very tired. The king went to him and told him that he had come to him to know the answers of his 3 questions. He told him his questions. The hermit listened to him but did not answer. The king offered him to dig. He took the spade from the hermit and started digging. The king kept on digging till the evening. He asked the hermit if he could answer his questions, else he would leave for home. Just then, somebody came running. The hermit said, "Let us see who is there." They went and saw that it was a bearded man who was badly wounded. Blood was flowing from his stomach. The king and the hermit opened his shirt, dressed his wounds till the blood stopped flowing. They took him inside the hut and made him lie down and gave him some water. By that time all this happened, the king was tired and slept near the wounded man. Next morning, the wounded man got up and thanked the king and asked for forgiveness. The king was wondering why the wounded man was asking for forgiveness. The king did not know him. The wounded man told him that he had come to the forest to kill the king because the king had killed his brother and seized his property. Basically, he came to take revenge. He asked for forgiveness because the king had saved his life. The king made peace with him, sent his doctors along with him, and promised to return his property back in return. The bearded man promised to serve him for his life. When the king was about to leave, he asked the hermit again for the answers of the 3 questions. The hermit told that just now he had practically experienced it, as if the king would not have helped the hermit, bearded man would have attacked him. So the hermit was the most important person and the most important work was to dig the beds. So the most important time is now, when you have the power to act, and the most important person is with whom you are, and the present moment, and the most important work is to do good to everyone around you. I hope you liked the video. Your suggestions are welcomed in the comment box. Thank you. Have a nice day.